I rely on my Shark air purifier to make sure the air in my home is clean. But just like my home, I want to make sure my air purifier remains in tip-top shape. To keep your air purifier working longer, proper maintenance is key. Let's start with the filter. Your Shark Air Purifier 6 is equipped with an anti-allergen HEPA filtration technology. It can trap dust, dander, pollen, allergens, and smoke. Shark filters are also equipped with a carbon layer for protection against household odors and VOCs. For a more advanced clean, you can also purchase the filter with Advanced Odor Guard or with Advanced Odor and Fumes Guard. Replacement filters can be purchased at sharkclean.com or select retailers. Shark recommends changing your filter every 6 to 12 months. However, if you're particularly sensitive to allergies, you may benefit from changing it sooner. When your filter needs to be changed, your air purifier will notify you by flashing the filter life light on the top control panel. To change your filter, follow these steps. First, make sure your unit is turned off and unplugged. Next, remove the filter cover by pressing down the tabs at the top, then pulling the cover toward you. Next, remove the old filter by pulling on the filter tab. Wrap the filter in an airtight plastic bag and dispose of it. Note, these filters cannot be washed or recycled, so make sure to discard them after use. Once your filter has been removed, take a moment to clean the inside of your air purifier. To do this, use a vacuum wand to collect large dust or a microfiber cloth to remove fine dust. After your unit is clean, it's time to install the new filter. Remove all packaging and wrapping from the new filter, then place into the air purifier. Next, reinstall the filter cover by aligning the prongs at the bottom of the filter cover into the slots at the bottom of the unit. Press the cover back into place by pressing on both sides and the top of it. When the filter is properly secured, you'll hear it click into place. After the air purifier is reassembled, plug it back into the wall and turn it on by pressing the power button on the top of the unit or by using the remote. At this time, the air purifier will recalibrate, which will take a few seconds. After your unit has completed its calibration, press and hold the filter life button for 3 seconds to reset the filter life timer. When your filter life is properly reset, you'll hear a confirmation beep and see the filter life hours increase on the top of your unit. Once you've completed these steps, the filter is clean and ready to get back to keeping your air fresh. You can find replacement filters at sharkclean.com. My personal favorite HEPA filter replacement is the filter with Advanced Odor Guard and Fumes, which helps combat smells and chemicals around my home. In between filter changes, you may notice the air purifier accumulate some dust. In this case, simply grab a microfiber cloth and wipe it down. If you happen to spill anything on your air purifier, it's best to clean it right away. You can use warm soapy water to clean it as needed, but make sure to avoid chemical cleaners to prevent damage. Looking for more cleaning tips? Visit us at sharkclean.com.